So today I'm going to be opening up this particular Lenovo model laptop. It's a very old laptop. One of the customers left it here in our shop for servicing, and I guess this is a pretty old model. As you can see by its appearance and all, it's pretty old. And I can show you the model number. It's a Lenovo G560. Can you see that? It's G560. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and open up all of these screws binding the system so as to clean this system from the inside out. I'm talking about this area here. As you can see, these are held down by 7 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But for the boundary, we don't need to take out the screws, but accidentally I loosened them all up already, so no problem. Here's a retractable battery, but quick look at the inside. So this is how the system looks like. The keyboard looks like the keyboard. Okay, so I'm just going to close it down and I'm just going to show you. Let's start. Okay, so first let's take out the battery. As you can see, the battery clamp here, it's a battery pin. It should be fixed like this, and first we need to, there's a symbol right there. We just need to, I don't know if you can hear that, I just swiped it to my left side so as to unlock it. Similarly from this side also, I'm taking away this clip. Okay, this is a spring supported clip, so it should be fairly easy. Just hold on to the middle portion of this battery, pull it out, and you're good to go. So this is a battery. Let's put that to the side for a while we take out a screwdriver with an appropriate four shaped or something appropriate for these screws. So I'm just gonna remove them out one by one. So after I've unscrewed all of these from their respective places, I'm just going to show you how to lift this cover up from detached from this motherboard. So take a screwdriver, plug it in here in this semi-open hole, just like that, slowly, carefully. Just push it down. Okay? Slowly. Just give it a, push-pull like kind of situation, and there it is. It comes off fairly easy, so don't force it anything, or the very delicate parts, delicate clips will tend to, break or something. So as you can see, as we just open up this inside, we have our fan system right here. It's our fan up and running. The motherboard, this is a 2.5-inch SATA hard drive. There's a Wi-Fi chip here, some wiring, I don't know those where they are, and there's a heatsink pipe. There's a RAM chip, and I think this is pretty kind of dusty. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and clean this out. So for that purpose, I'm taking out this very soft cotton piece of cloth, and I'm just going to start with this fan. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust it right here. I'm just going to slowly rub it out, rub those dust out along this fan also. Do not be hard. I repeat, do not be hard, else you will damage the internal components. So you just have to clean the RAM slot right here. I don't see much but dust, so I'm just leaving it. Fairly simple. The fan, it's almost clean. So to clean this fan, you just need to put your index finger inside of this clove, and you're gonna put it here. And just gonna, and your left hand should rotate it just like that. Okay. One hand should rotate, and the other hand should give a fix, so that's supposed to clean this fan. Or in other cases, you can always clean this using a small brush, which I have it with me. I don't think if you can see the dust coming out, but so many dusts are coming out. Okay, so just repeat the procedure. Likewise, the motherboard should be cleaned in this manner too. Let me get that. Okay, this side is almost very neat, so you don't need to get that much of a detail right there. This is a 2.5 inch, 500 gigs of hard drive. It's a very old 2011 model from Lenovo, running at i5. So I think we're pretty much done here. What we need to do is I'm just going to show you how to remove the RAM. Okay, the RAM slot. It's very easy. There are two clips right here. One you can see here. I'm just going to point it. Okay, this is the right side, and this is on the left side. All you need to do is use two hands and just push them out of the opposite side. Pull them out of the opposite side, and the RAM will just pop up just like that. Let me show you very quick. Okay, 1, 2, 3. At the same time, so the RAM pops up right there. And the RAM is a 2 gigabyte RAM, not so very big considering the model. In those days, 2 gigs of RAM was quite much, but nowadays it's not that much. So you see this little hole right here, right? So we're just going to find that with that in the motherboard, and we're just going to reinstall it. Careful, there are 2 slots, which means this is an upgradable system, but we need to put it on the primary. So this is a primary that is a lower one, so I'm just going to align it. Okay, and you should just press the 2 buttons. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, and 3. So the RAM just clicks, and this is a quick system. It's very easy, so you don't need to worry about that much. Now, since we have completed this procedure, what I would like to show you is the inner compartment. Oh, this is quite dusty too. We're just gonna very fairly, we're just gonna wipe this out. Wipe all of these dusts out. As you can see, it's very easy. On the back side too, we have the air intake grills, 1, 2, and 3. Fairly large number of grills, considering this is a good laptop, I guess, considered from the grill's perspective for air intake. But there is only one fan and one exhaust system, so this is definitely not a gaming laptop. To reinstall it, you just need to double check on the RAM. Okay, let me just check for one quick tip. Okay, we need to see if the RAM is in place, and we need to, okay, just push it down. Okay, the clips are in place. Okay, now we're good to go. So for piecing this back plate onto the motherboard, you need to slide in here first and push it down later on. So So it's very easy, not that difficult. Make sure the clips are in place. Clips are right here, as you can see. Align them with the motherboard, okay? And very slowly. And we're good to go. We just need to fix the loosened screws and you're pretty much good to go. So that's how you clean a very old Lenovo G560. Okay? Tutorial. Make sure to ask questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.